Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. Did you know that our plants and animals not only communicate with us intuitively and telepathically, but also communicate amongst each other? I recently spoke to a dog who was adopted into a family, and the family wanted to know how the dog feels about his new home, environment, humans, the relationship that he's sharing, and if anything the family could do to make the dog feel happier and more comfortable in the new environment. When I spoke to this dog, the dog was so happy and grateful that the family had accepted him into their lives, and he was really happy in his life as well. However, one thing that really stood out from this conversation was the fact that this dog mentioned that along with the family, he really felt welcomed by the garden that the humans had in their backyard and around their house. And there was this one particular plant that he absolutely loves because that plant has become his best friend. So he spends a lot of time around this plant, and whenever he feels like he needs to be grounded, or he wants to just spend some time in solitude, he will go to the garden and he will sit with this plant. Moreover, he also shared with me what the plant and the dog shared with each other, their conversations, their observations, their feelings towards the family, how they feel about their life, how they feel about the day. And it was such a lovely conversation because this was a completely new facet for me also to understand how this dog and this plant had really become very good friends, and they were companions and they used to share everything with each other. There were more things that the dog mentioned that the plant and the garden in general would want the humans to do for them as well. When I shared all this information with the family were very happy to hear all this, but they were equally amused and surprised at how there was this friendship between this plant and the dog, and the garden and the dog. They were also glad that the dog had communicated what the garden wanted from the family, and then they were more than happy to provide the garden and the plant with all the requests that they had made. So it's not just with humans that animals and plants communicate, but they also have a relationship with one another, and they have a purpose and contract to fulfill with each other as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have had such communications where you have understood conversations between animals or between plants and animals, please do mention them in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye bye.